The following video is made for educational purposes only. Everything you see is just an educational example. It does not constitute financial advice. Results may vary for you. If you've been trading meme coins, chances are you've dealt with your fair share of worthless rugs and empty hype. I've been there too, and that's exactly why I decided to flip the script. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I launch meme coins myself, step by step, and how you can actually make good money doing it. The secret behind this approach is to stop trading meme coins and start creating them yourself. When people think about making their own meme coins, they usually jump straight to pump fun, but that's a big misconception. Pump fun is just too packed with noise to get any real results these days. Instead of going the usual route, I'll be teaching you how to launch coins on Raydium. This network just makes more sense. It's filled with better quality tokens, stronger numbers, and far fewer people trying to do the same thing at once. Look at this list here. Compared to the non-stop flood of tokens on Pump Fun, Raydium only sees around 1 to 10 new ones popping up per minute. Alright, let's get into how you actually launch coins on Raydium. I've found a super simple tool called moontool.fun that makes the whole thing incredibly easy. Normally, you'd need to learn how to code and navigate a bunch of confusing stuff just to get started. But with this site, it takes just a few clicks and a couple of minutes. Let's jump right into it. First things first. Step 1 is making a solid logo that grabs attention or makes people laugh. That's your top priority because it's what gets investors interested in your coin. The best advice I can give here is to ride the wave of what's trending and funny online. Just scroll through social media and see what's hot right now. For this video, I'm going with this buffed Doge. These memes always get good results. Just remember to export your logo at 128 by 128 pixels, and you're good to go. Now that we have our logo, we gotta go for step 2. Now's when the creation process starts. For this, just click here to connect your wallet and approve the permission whenever it asks you. The first thing you'll need to input will be the basic info of your coin. This means adding a name, a symbol, a description, and the logo you just made. I'll go with buffed Doge for the name and buffed for the symbol. In the description, add something funny related to your coin, and then the only thing left is adding the logo. After that, click next to go to the next step. This part's about tokenomics, and honestly, there's not much to do. The values you see are already preset and good to go, so no need to touch them. Just click next and move forward. Here you'll see an option to add your name as the creator, and a launch site name for the token. It might seem useful, but trust me, it's not worth it. It even costs 0.1 Sol, and I wouldn't recommend it, even if it didn't cost anything. Just disable it and skip ahead. Just like you could add creator info, there's a spot to include social media for your coin. This actually adds some value, so if your socials are ready, you should add them. I'm going to skip this step in the video to keep things simple though. Make sure you pay close attention here, because this step is really important. We're talking about the revoke authority settings, which basically act as your coin's security safeguards. To break it down, revoke freeze prevents your coin's transactions from getting stuck forever. Revoke mint stops anyone from endlessly creating new tokens. And revoke update locks down the contract, so it can't be changed after launch. Anyone can easily check if these are on or off, and investors won't touch your coin if they spot a security risk. So the safest move is to keep all of them enabled, and then hit launch my token now. In just a few seconds, your wallet will pop up asking for confirmation. All you need to do is approve the transaction, follow the usual steps, wait a moment, and boom. Your coin is live on Solana's network. But don't stop there. You can actually track your coin status on SolScan, so let's check it out right now. As you can tell from SolScan, your coin is officially up and running on the blockchain. You can dive into all the stats, supply, signatures, and everything else. But the key thing is to keep going and jump into step 3. Now it's time to add liquidity to your coin so anyone can trade it, like the Raydium list on Photon I showed you earlier. To get started, just click right here on Create Liquidity Pool. This will take you to Raydium's website. The first thing you need to do is connect your wallet. Just click up here and connect it manually. Once your wallet is connected, it's time to add a base token. This is where your new meme coin goes. So, click here, then head back to Moontool, copy the address you see there, and paste it into this field on Raydium. After that, fill in your coin's basic info like you did on Moontool, and click Add User Token. Select it here, and you'll see your coin's total supply is 1 billion. It's pretty straightforward. Just add 900 million to the pool. Why 900 million? That's just the usual amount for meme coins. Next up, we need to choose a quote token. That's the token people will use to trade against your coin. The only real choice here is Solana, so let's stick with that. Now, pay close attention. The best move is to max out this amount. Don't worry though, this investment is totally safe. Whether your launch succeeds or not, you can always get your money back with no issues. Just remember to reduce your total by 0.2 Solana, because Radium charges that as a fee when creating the pool. For the fee tier section, I usually go with 2%. I've heard 0.5% could work as well, but I can't say for sure since I haven't tried it myself. Once that's set, just hit Initialize Liquidity Pool, confirm it in your wallet, and that's it. Your coin is officially open for trading. Check it out. The launch was a total success, and our coin is already live on Photon's listings. Now it's just waiting for investors to take notice. While we wait, let me introduce you to my favorite method for reading the charts, which is step 4. I like using Dex Screener to track all my launches, because I find its interface easier to use than Photon's. Plus, it works better for videos since it's simpler to show you how everything operates. To get started, just click on any coin from this list, then head back to Moontool and copy your token's address. Replace the address in Dex Screener's URL with yours, and bam, you'll see your coin's chart with all the info you need. Keep a close eye on liquidity. That's your real ticket to success. And don't worry about those bot snipers. They're always there and pretty annoying, but there's not much we can do about them. While you wait, go to Radium's Portfolio tab. Here you can view your positions and balances, and you'll also use this page to transfer profits to your wallet. Just keep on the Standard tab, and your position should pop up in about 10 to 15 minutes. No need to panic if it takes a bit longer. I'll show you a time-lapse of how this launch went. There's not much to say, but I want to share some key tips for when you do your own launch. In the beginning, bots will be everywhere. It's normal and unavoidable, so just ignore those transactions. The thing you really want to focus on is your coin's volume. When people buy, market cap and liquidity will rise. Liquidity is the most important number because that's your profit source. Check your Radium portfolio until your position appears, and cash out when your profits look good. Now let me show you how. We've reached the final step. Go to the Standard tab in your Radium portfolio and look for your LP position. Hit the minus button, drag the slider to 100%, and ignore the numbers at the top. Pay attention to the Solana amount below instead. That's the real payout you'll get. Once you're good with that, click Remove Liquidity and approve the transaction. I gotta remind you guys that this is an educational video though. I'm not a financial advisor. Once you see this notification, your balance has been updated. Take a look inside your wallet. I managed to make really nice profits in just minutes. These aren't crazy numbers, but it's a nice side hustle that could earn you some extra bucks regularly. I wouldn't complain about repeating this a few times daily. Now, a quick important disclaimer. This video is 100% educational. I'm not connected to Photon, Moontool, Dex Screener, or any of the tools featured here. I'm simply showing you how launching coins works. With that in mind, this is a great chance, but nobody knows how long it'll last, so feel free to jump in if you want.